Hello guys, good morning and welcome to today market analysis. So as always, if you really want to take this trade, then I would advise you to revisit the chart because this is not a live video. It's probably recorded like some minutes before you get to watch this. Okay, so do your live analysis to just use this as backup before you get started. And if you do not have a boom and crash account, create your account using the link below. So let's get started. Let's start from boom 500 this morning. Okay, boom 500. Let's look at our chart and let's see what we have here. Okay, so you can notice some new things on my chart. They are like white triangles. Okay, they are called fractals. Okay, they are called fractals, and it can show the levels of the market. So you can add it to it by simply going to your indicator list. Then you move down and you can add your, look at it here, fractals. Okay, you can add it to it. So I've been using that for my trading lately and I think it has been awesome. So this is boom 500. Let's see what this guy is saying. Okay, normally we know that the normal movement of the boom is on downtrend. Okay, if you are trading boom on uptrend, then that's like you trying to catch the spikes. Okay, the downtrend came up the way to here, then we seen some uptrend. Okay, we seen some uptrend, but right here there is a kind of a support level right here. Okay, you can see the market came all the way to this point one. Okay, so it retraces all the way to this point two. Okay, kind of retrace to point two here, then the market came down. So now that the market is going on uptrend, it's broke, it's getting to that point and it's trying to respect that point. Okay, this point three. Okay, make it point three. This doesn't mean that the market is going to continue on downtrend. As a matter of fact, this support zone right here might turn to resistance zone for the market to keep shooting up. Okay, so you must look, you must be very careful for the breakout. Okay, you must be very careful for the breakout. So how do you know the breakout? There must be a retest after the breakout. Okay, it must break out this level completely, this level right here. Okay, it must break it completely. After it breaks out completely, then there must be a retest. After the retest, then we can expect an uptrend. Okay, we can expect an uptrend. So you must be very careful when you are trading this boom 500 because I lost some money in it. Okay, in the night I lost some money in it. So that's basically that on boom 500. Let's go to crash 500, guys. Crash 500. Okay, so crash 500 also too has been on a downtrend, a very serious downtrend. Okay, a very serious downtrend, and we are waiting for a reversal. Okay, we are waiting for a reversal, but let's see what level the market is right now. Let's see what level. Let's try to zoom in. Let's check other time frame, probably bigger time frame like 4 hours. Even in 4 hours it is on downtrend. Let's see on day one time frame. Even on day one time frame, you can see that the market is still on a downtrend. Okay, so this market has been on a downtrend for as long as I don't know. Okay, so basically this is a market you want to avoid. Okay, because we don't know when the uptrend is going to start. We do not know. So this is a market you like to stay away from. Okay, do not go for any fake out there because it has had some series of pullbacks, and it's still going on downtrend. Okay, that is a heavy downtrend. You don't want to get stuck in this kind of market. So crash 500 for me right now is a no. Okay, it's a no for me. So let's go to our 300 indices. Let's go to the 300 indices. What took that away? Okay, let's go to first crash 300, boom 300. Okay, boom 300. So what do you guys notice right here? What do you notice? So you can see that boom 300 has had a serious resistance level right here. This is level 1, this is level 2. Okay, this is 1, I think 2, 3, and this is the first time touching it. Okay, and by the normal rule of the thumb, this is going to reverse the market. Okay, this is going to reverse the market. Even on this third touch alone, there's a reverse. Then it came down to touch it again. So the likelihood of this market breaking to a downtrend to test this last level right here is very slim. Okay, it's very slim. So personally for me, I'm not going to trade this market at all. I'm not going to trade this market, okay, because that is becoming unpredictable. Okay, it's becoming unpredictable because after the third touch right here, the market went on some uptrend, then pull back into that region again. Okay, so I'm going to avoid this market too. I'm going to avoid it. And since an uptrend is likely to happen, which is like catching the spikes, and if you don't have good capital, it's not meant for you, then you might want to avoid it too. Okay, that depends on you. So let's go to crash 300 and let's see what is happening. Okay, so this is our crash 300. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is our crash 300 right here. If you draw this from here to here, we are on uptrend. Okay, we are on uptrend. And even if you draw it from here to this point, we are still on uptrend. But what is really going on in the market? How can we get a serious setup for this market for our trading? Is this going to be on uptrend or a downtrend? So the market went on uptrend for some time and pulls back into this region. Okay, the market is building a serious support level right here. Okay, it's building a serious support level right here. So you can see that ever since the market got here and came back into this region, once it touches this place, the market is pulling back up. When it touches this place, market is pulling back up. Touches here, it's pulling back up. Okay, it's only this time around that it's broke down from here. Okay, it's broke down here, then it went up and it's coming for a retest. Okay, so right now we are having some reversals and one can enter for a buy. Okay, let me zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, so right here one can enter for a buy. This is a good selling pressure because this is a market rejection right here. This is a good selling pressure. But if you're even going to enter for a buy, then your stop loss is going to be here. Okay, your stop loss is going to be here, while your take profit should be somewhere around here. Okay, around here. So that is a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, but your stop loss should be there. Okay, just in case the market is going to play some kind of games, then you'll be out of the market. And also use the right lot size. Okay, use the right lot size. So let's take this market quickly and let's put our stop loss right here. Okay, so in our next market, okay, the take profit should be around here. Okay, let me bring it back down a bit. Okay, around here. Why? Let me put another line for our stop loss. Okay, our stop loss should just be the tip of this candle. Okay, so that's a good risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to tilt my phone and I'm going to enter the trade. Okay, so in my next video, okay, my next video, so watch out for this. So I'm going to use 0.2. Let me use 0.2 and then stop loss, input the stop loss value. Now click on buy. Okay, then get back to here, copy this one right here. Okay, then I'm going to add it. Okay, modify and put it as my take profit. Okay, we'll see how this market plays out. For those of you that will be taking it or watching it live, okay, we'll see how it plays out. So that's basically it for now, guys. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.